Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Leon 1.6 TDI SE technology. This is the 110 PS output, 5-door finished in pure white. Features on the car include full LED headlamps and daytime running lights with front fog lights. The car's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels, has LED indicators built into the mirror housing. Being registered before April 17, the car benefits from the old road tax scheme, therefore 12 months tax is just £20. The Seat badge doubles as the boot handle, including a large loading space and access to 60/40 split rear seats that fold down. Car seats 5 in total, has a black cloth interior. Has 4 electric windows, electric heated mirrors, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. The car's covered just over 29,900 miles. It's a large touchscreen media display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, satellite navigation and traffic updates, air conditioning, storage at the front with a USB port and 3.5mm auxiliary, and storage in the centre with an armrest and a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further information or to book a test drive, please ask for Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.